Hello, good morning, students. How are you today? I hope that all of you are healthy and excited to start our lesson today. So, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray, start. Okay, finish. Next, I will check your attendance. If I call your name, please open your camera and turn on your mic to say present, ma'am. Okay? Do you understand, students? Okay, now let's start our lesson today. Do you ever read a story about Timun Mas? I believe that most of you ever read or heard a story about Timun Mas, right? Now, to refresh our memory, please check your chat box. I've shared a link to a YouTube video, a story about Timun Mas, and I'll give you the instruction. Please watch the YouTube video about the story of Timun Mas, and then rewrite the story based on the video subtitles. Next, mark the vocabularies that you don't know the meaning of. And lastly, search the meaning in your dictionary apps. You can install the dictionary apps in Play Store or App Store. Okay? Do you understand, students? Okay, finish. Next question. Have you ever heard about native text before? I believe that some of you are unfamiliar of native text, right? And what do you know about native text? Yeah, you're right. Native text is an imaginative story to entertain people. And an example of native text is a story about Timun Mas. Now, please give me another example of native text. Yeah, some of you are right. Another example of native text are a story about Malin Kundang, Cinderella story, or Snow White, yeah, and many more. In this lesson, students are expected to understand and identify the social function, text structure, and language features of native text, and students are expected to retelling a short folk story using technology like applications and websites to help them compile a digital book and present their work. In this lesson, we will use YouTube, UDictionary, Book Creator, Kahoot, and Padlet. For YouTube, we will watch some video and you can find some reference for our next project about native text. And then you can find the meaning of the difficult vocabularies in your dictionary. And then I will give you a quiz about narrative text from Kahoot. And for our last project, we will use Book Creator to create a digital book. And then we will ask some feedbacks from our friends or family using Padlet. You can install YouTube, UDictionary, Kahoot, and Padlet in App Store or Play Store. And as for Book Creator, you can use your laptop to create your digital book.